Hello everyone, this is Laxmi Prasad from Bennett University. Today I'll be sharing you my internship journey in COVID period as a data science content writer at Digital Test Act company. So as I said, I completed my internship at Digital Test Act in COVID period. You'll be getting so many questions in your mind. How did I get this internship and what kind of projects I've done and what technologies I've been going through. So all this thing, keep it hold it for a few seconds. So before going to my presentation slides, I would like to thank my mentor Jagannathan, who is constantly encouraging me in each and every milestones to help me in kind of giving resources and insightful things in my project. So I hopefully say that he helped me in each and every milestone to myself I can visualize the insightful in the project and what to start and where to end. All this thing I learned from him how to visualize the project. So I thank to him to successfully completed my internship. So go to the PPT.
Yeah, data science, internet, digital tesseract. So about my digital tesseract company. Digital tesseract is a pioneering e-learning edutech organization that focuses on data science, artificial intelligence, deep learning, and computer vision domains. So this company will be uh, effectively releasing the articles and blogs on the problems which revolves around the internet stuff, like the problems like the students and the researchers or everything. So this company actively in the internet stuff and then creating the solutions for the respective problems. And this company keep on increasing their productivity in terms of providing the courses to the students also. So it's great part to working in this company as a data science content writer. So how did I got this internship? In my search for internship, I've been more actively in LinkedIn, Internshala, and Let's Intern, a few apps where you can get apply chance to apply for the internship. Every day I'll be watching few internship offers at LinkedIn. On one fine day, the digital tech company CEO co-founder Gurumurthy had posted a Google form regarding the data science intern role. So I was interested in machine learning and data science field. So I eventually applied for the this data science content writer role. So after applying this Google form with following requirements, after a few days, I got call from the digital research company, and we had a conversation regarding that my core strength and my project. And after that, hearing my answers in the conversation, I don't know what criteria they've decided, but after a few days, I got mail from the digital test right that you were selected for the data science content writer role. So it's great. So what's my role and work at Digital Test Right? As I said, my role at internship as assigned as a data science content writer. So my work, what is my work? My work is same. I need to know student difficulties and problems in the internet on the same areas, machine learning and deep learning areas. Based on that, I need to refine that. Like I need to recheck whether there were a solution for the respective problems. If there was a solution, I need to bring a unique solution which was different from already existing in the internet. If not at all, the solution was covered for the given problem in the internet, the questions raised by the students or the researchers, then it's very critical, right? So I need to very I need to do very ground research. I need to know the certain topic. I need to study in a deep manner. So that's how I've studied reinforcement learning. There were students problems we identified, and like the my age student problems I identified. So there were no solution covered at the internet. So me and my mentor, I with the help of my mentor, I done my reinforcement learning project within 3 weeks, I think so. So I created a blog on that and I released in digital research company. So how do I check that my solution is a perfect or it's in a perfect way to understand to others on a very attractive way? This thing is there. My allotted mentors will recheck that whether my solution is the correct way with all the perfect proofs and all the matter. So that's how my If I finalize my blog or report, then it will be further checked by my allotted mentors. So work from home basis. So as you know, my current circumstances at 2020, COVID-19 has become very cursed for students who do not complete their internships physically at the companies itself. So as technology is rapidly increasing, it's not a big problem for the companies and students to enhance quickly with the technology and giving the opportunity for the students by working remotely. So I worked as a work from home basis at this duration at from April to June, 2 months duration. So overview of my project. As I said, my main project I stick to nearly 3 weeks in my 8 weeks internship to the reinforcement learning. So what is reinforcement learning, guys? I'll be explaining you in a layman manner. I won't go in so much deep. I'll be explaining you in a very overview. Okay. So what is reinforcement learning? Reinforcement learning is a machine learning area where uh, if a certain action was taken place, you will get a reward. So if the reward is kind of positive reward or negative reward, so you'll be keep on updating that kind of reward you get it. So example, if there was a robot and the robot work is the robot should fill the water bottle. So if robot has kept his hand with the water bottle near the water filter, if if the bottle has filled to a certain level, so she got some equal and opposite reaction for his for his input reaction. She got some like the robot got some output. So we recognize that. So the robot recognized that she got some reward. So each reward for each apparently uh, uh, stereotypic reward, the it's like keep on rewards to end of the stages. So my solution, there were basic two kind of solutions for the reinforcement learning, positive and negative. So so basically my project is I have worked on ads recommendation. So if you open any user UI interface, if you're Facebook, Google, Amazon, you're getting some ads, right? So how the ads recommended for you based on reinforcement learning. So in unfortunately, if some ads displayed in the right side or the left side, so if you're attracted to that ad, if you click that ad, so we'll get a response that you were interested in this kind of ads. So we'll think that so for you for your account the reward was in a certain way that in which domain you were selected the ads. So example, there were sports, there were mobile ads on some fashion apps or fashion ads. So different kind of ads. So if you're interested in clicking some mobile ads, so we came to know that for your input, the reward is like you are interested in some mobile advertisement. So we'll be keep on providing you mobile advertisements in certain apps. That's how the reinforcement learning works. So the solution, as I told, we use both UCB and Thompson algorithm. Like if we are using some app, Facebook or Google, so for we'll be giving we'll be displaying some ads. So if you click that ad, any one of the ads, some like mobile ad, some clothing ad, some real estate ad, some any ad. So for given for your input, uh, you will be getting an action that the ad will be pop out. So in your account, so we'll get as a reward that you are interested in certain ad. So the certain ads are the rewards will be updated as in the updated cube table as you are interested in the sports domain or sports ads, you are interested in some clothing ads, you are interested in some real estate ads, etc. So experiences, that's my project. So I have a plenty of experiences and viewed myself to different things and different technologies. So More than in my 8 weeks internship, I found and learned never heard topics like Facebook profit, externalizing Steamwell, a few topics I never heard, but it went in a pretty way, in a pretty way, because with my mentors helped me a lot, and I researched and I went through them, and they helped me, and they gave a insights and useful resources in my driven path. So it helped me a lot to complete my internship, and hopefully I did my internship and learn very uh, useful things in deep learning mission. Seriously, I'll be before joining into this internship, uh, the knowledge I have in the machine learning and deep learning, it's more away ahead now. I've like if I have some 20, 40%, 30% of knowledge before joining this internship. Now I think I have some 60 to 70% knowledge. Like I've came to know how deep the area of deep learning and machine learning areas, how the things going on, how things are connected to each other. It's pretty interesting. So internship helps you more in this way to visualize yourself in different domains and get some knowledge and deep knowledge on your particular work. Thank you.